Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Nick Jr. on Roku, quick guide step by step clearly. To activate Nick Jr. on your Roku device, first, ensure your Roku is connected to the internet. Navigate to the Roku home screen. Select the Streaming Channels option from the menu. In the channel store, use the search function to find the Nick Jr. app. Once you locate the Nick Jr. app, click on it for more details. Select the Add Channel option to install the app on your Roku. After the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Locate the Nick Jr. app icon and open it. You will see an activation code displayed on your screen. Now, take note of this activation code. On a separate device, open a web browser and go to the Nick Jr. activation website. Enter the activation code you noted earlier into the designated field. You may be prompted to sign in with your cable or streaming service provider credentials. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. Once your account is successfully linked, return to the Nick Jr. app on your Roku. You should now be able to access all available content on Nick Jr. Enjoy watching your favorite shows on Nick Jr. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.